Most people spend their whole life trying to change things step by step. But what if you could just hit reset and wake up in a completely new reality? Think about it. You don't have to wait 10 years for your life to improve. Sometimes all it takes is one deep realization, one shift in awareness, and suddenly everything looks different. It's not magic, it's just how your mind actually works. Every thought, emotion, action, and word you repeat creates the code that runs your life. Most people try to fix their circumstances, but the truth is, it's the program underneath that needs to change. I used to live in loops. Same fears, same outcomes, same emotions, until I discovered that there is a way to reprogram the code and start fresh. That's what I built into the intention game, a system that helps you identify the beliefs, emotions, and patterns that keep you stuck and reset them. The result? You don't just improve your life, you start living a different one. If you have been craving a real shift, not a slow grind, but a genuine awakening, this is for you. I created a free belief kit that shows you how to press that reset button inside your own mind. It's a 6-part guide that helps you uncover what's been holding you back and realign your inner world to the reality you actually want to experience. Now, go to theintentiongame.com/beliefkit and start today, or click a link. Once you learn how to reset your mind, you will never go back to living the old program again. Well, life doesn't change when you try harder. It changes when you remember you hold the reset button.
Get your free 6-part Belief Kit and see immediate changes in your life. Download now and experience rapid transformation. Click the link to get started.